Okay, let's do a live repair if possible. This is a Seagate external hard drive and physical damage, as we can see. The port is loose, so no data can be accessed. Hopefully this one uses a simple connection where one end is a SATA connector and the other end is actually a connected to an adapter. If it's not, then we're gonna have to run wires. It's used on a Mac system, so we're gonna have to it's called shuckling, like oysters. We need to take this drive out. Okay. Get some tools. Oh yes, we're lucky. Hey, look at that. Voila. So we got really lucky there. We don't need to replace the port or anything like that. And the port is damaged there, as you can see. We could do soldering and whatnot, but there's no point repairing these things.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.